Alright guys, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. What's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking this video out today. But if you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below as we are on the journey this year to hitting 10,000 subscribers. And you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please, do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, you're brand new, you're more likely going to want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video around here. And me, I like to keep it consistent. All you got to do is hit that notification bell down below and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video around here. Alright guys, before we jump into the video, today's video is brought to you by J&M Sneakers. This is where, if I strike out at Nike, if I can't pick up for retail, this is where I go. I go to J&M Sneakers. They take care of me. They've been taking care of me for 15 plus years. Now these guys are, top of the, they're basically like family. If you want to check them out, their links will be in the description. All you got to do is follow them on IG. If you decide to shop with them, just let them know your man, the son of some man, has sent you, and I promise they'll take extra good care of you as they do take care of me. But anyway, guys, today you know why you clicked on today's video. Today you're here to see Air Jordan 4 Thunder. Now, I didn't even cop these when they original release, nor did I cop them when they retroed. Now we got them when they re-retroed. But I did get these the other day, and if you didn't see that video, you can click the link at the top of the screen, but make sure you come back here, finish this video, because we're going to be doing a detailed review of this shoe too in an upcoming video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. But for now, we'll take a quick look at these. These are actually looking pretty good. You know what I want to do? I'm going to do a comparison with the UA pair, but for right now, let's take a sneak peek at it. Alright guys, now, can you guys tell me which one is the real and which one is the UA? I don't even know, and I got it in my hand. I do know, obviously, because I do have them in my hand. But I bet you wouldn't know if you didn't, if you didn't have the retail pair in your hand, because it's almost impossible. But now I can see the yellow is off. But if you did not have the retail pair in your hand, you wouldn't know. Guys, make sure you stay tuned to the channel because we are going to be doing a comparison from the UA to the retail. And we're going to be talking about all the details, all what goes into it, basically everything, that we've done before. If you haven't seen one of my, UA versus retail, click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to one of those videos. And you can check that out for yourself, firsthand. Because it's not like we're new to this. We've been doing this for a while, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, make sure you stay tuned to the channel because we do have Into the Spider-Verse. We actually won. Well, we didn't win. A co-worker of mine, I actually got him in the raffle. He was the last person to enter. The last person to enter. And he actually hit the raffle, man. Oh man, but he actually hit a size 10, which is definitely good enough for the review and the on foot. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because that review I'm definitely anticipating to be a good review. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Subscribe, do all those good things for your boy. Also too guys, if you're brand new to the channel and you haven't seen the review yet of these puppies, make sure you click the link at the top of the screen to check this out, because you're definitely not going to want to miss the Air Jordan 8 playoff review. These are so sexy. And I didn't find out that they drop until September. I was shocked that these things were even available. And yes, this pair is 100% legit. But make sure you check out the review. I'm telling you guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I know it might be small right now, but we are growing day in and day out, and that's because of you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys, man. But guys, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Quick video for a Saturday. I'm going to go and chill with my family, hang out with them. But I want to thank you guys, this family right here, for tuning in, day out, subscribing to the channel. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. But until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.